All right, we're here at Boscov's in the Millcreek Mall in Erie. I was here when this was still Sears, and I got to, pretty sure, get the last video of the elevator at Sears when Sears was still open. They've since modernized it, and I believe it's a Schindler now.
It's an Otis.
I know it used to be an Otis. I think Schindler did the mod, though. Here it is. On the bright side, they did not redo the cab from Sears other than replace the ceiling. Because this is still the same cab from when it was Sears. I think this is an H Express mod, but I'm not sure.
I told you it was the Otis elevator.
I think I'm saying from Schindler. Because I'm almost positive Schindler did this mod. But I know it was originally an Otis. Oh yeah, this is a Schindler mod. Alright, let's do the motor. Door closes when I push the button. I like that. Okay, this ain't the worst mod ever, to be fair. I will say Schindler did not do a bad job. They kept the original cab, so I mean, that's nice. And watch the button go out. I think these are Mad BS Moon, but I'm not sure. Go ahead and end back up on the second floor. One more view of this cab. Very nice. All right, we'll go ahead and end it up here. I actually like the carpeted bottom. All right, there it goes.